is Hannah. I'm new here, so please welcome me with your warmest heart to YouTube. Apparently, I'm a video creator now, and I'll be making YouTube videos. So today we're gonna fix this left Joycon, and apparently it's the easiest part to fix.
Oh, hold up. So I have three options basically. First option is that I buy new Joy-Con. Second option, I buy a replacement kit, and the first option costs around 280 ringgit, and the single Joy-Con costs half of it. Second Joy-Con costs around 30 ringgit, and yeah, the third option I kind of bear with it. Yeah. And this is how my current Joy-Con looks like. Yes, I didn't record mine because I accidentally fixed it first. Then I remembered that I can't record the broken Joy-Con before. So yes, I bought this one for 31 ringgit and 50 cents. I saved a lot of money. And now back to the video.
Let's go. Okay, so funny thing is kita patut buka screw dulu. I need my spectacles. How to say? Kat sini. One over here. I can do this. Yay! Alright. So first thing first. Aduh, buat senang lah. Open the battery. Okay, so now YouTube. Okay, this is where everything is gonna be crazy. Okay, I've unlocked it. And I pull it up. Alright. Okay, I'm killing this thing. I see. Oh. Alright. Okay. Alright. Fits like a glove. Okay, yes, we're fixed. This be nice. Nanti lah kau. Oh yeah, it's right there. Let's put this. It's in. Okay, it's on. So right now, it's all fixed up. So, yes, we're done. We're finally done. So,
I'm sorry for that kind of ending. I'm not good at it, but who cares, right? Hit the like button, or maybe if you're interested with my life and considering to join my journey in life, go click the subscribe button. Oh yeah, and I have a gaming channel. Basically, my sister and I, we made a gaming channel together, mostly us playing Roblox and Sims 4. Well, go check it out, and maybe yeah, you'll like it. So that's all. Spread the love, people. Bye. Till next time.